Welcome to the Price Faculty of Engineering at the University of Manitoba. We are Western Canada's oldest engineering school and the premier centre for engineering research and education in the Prairie Provinces. Students here learn and work in state-of-the-art labs and facilities, including the new $28 million Stanley Poly Engineering Building, one of the newest buildings on campus. When trying to decide if engineering is for you, you should ask yourself, are you a good problem solver? Are you a good communicator? Do you enjoy working with others or as part of a team? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you are in the right place, as these are all important qualities shared by successful engineers. You should also enjoy mathematics, physics, and chemistry, since these are foundational to studying engineering. Strong grades in these subject areas are required for admission. To learn more about high school admission requirements, what subjects and grades are needed, or for more information about how to apply, be sure to visit the university's admissions website at umanitoba.ca/admissions. Engineering students will complete a Bachelor of Science in Engineering degree. It takes a minimum of 4 years to complete the degree with a maximum of 7 years of study. The average length to complete an engineering degree is 5.5 years. The first year of study is a preliminary year, where you will take foundational courses designed to introduce you to the different areas of engineering. Students can apply directly from high school for direct entry admission to engineering, or choose to complete the preliminary year courses in University 1. Regardless of how you get started, you'll be applying to a specific engineering program after completing 8 of the 12 required courses for entry to a program. We are pleased to offer 5 engineering programs in Biosystems, Civil, Computer, Electrical, and Mechanical Engineering. Each pathway brings with it many options you can add to your degree to enhance your experience with us. Let's look at each of these programs to learn more about which might be right for you. Biosystems engineering involves the application of engineering principles to plants, animals, humans, and microorganisms. This is a great area of engineering to focus on if you're interested in the well-being of the environment and the people around us, or the application of technologies that will help support a green future, protection of natural resources, and even the development of biomedical technologies. Civil engineering revolves around the planning, design, construction, and maintenance of everyday structures and facilities, such as bridges, dams, highways, and more. Some of the state-of-the-art labs and facilities you'll be spending time in as a student include our Mechanics Lab and Structures Lab, where students can design and test various infrastructure projects to see how they withstand natural disasters and other adverse conditions. Students can also design new raw materials for use in these projects. Computer engineering differs from computer science in that computer engineers design systems and solutions beyond simple laptop and desktop computing systems. Like in many of our other engineering programs, you can look forward to doing a great capstone project in your final year of study. Electrical engineers develop innovative products and solutions using electrical systems and electronic devices. As part of the electrical engineering program, you have the choice to specialize in biomedical devices, communications, or power and energy systems. You'll also demonstrate the full range of your skills and creativity through a group capstone project in your final year. Finally, mechanical engineering is where you'll use your knowledge of mechanics, materials, and energy to design machine systems and processes. Mechanical engineers are involved in the building and designing of aircraft and cars, air conditioning and ventilation systems, and even new medical technologies. Among other areas, students can specialize in aerospace, manufacturing, and materials in this program. The Engineering Access Program, or NGAP, is available to provide opportunities for Indigenous students to get into, prepare for, and succeed in the Price Faculty of Engineering. NGAP students receive the same degree as other engineering students, but benefit from custom resources including tutoring, advising, personal and financial support, and group study and social opportunities that will allow them to connect with other students. The Co-op IIP program is available to all engineering students across our programs and helps students gain real-world engineering experience. This popular program allows students to earn a placement with an engineering employer where they'll not only earn a wage, but earn credit towards their degree. There's also a variety of research opportunities available within all areas of engineering, which can count towards a co-op placement. We also offer a second-to-none student experience. Engineering students are some of the most active students on campus, and there are a number of different ways you can get involved. The University of Manitoba Engineering Society, or UMES, represents students in the faculty and offers great opportunities to build your leadership skills. You can also join competition societies to design, build, and test prototype vehicles, gliders, and other projects, and then compete these against other universities across Canada and around the world. We also offer representational and special interest societies such as Engineers Without Borders and the Women of Manitoba Engineering Network. Let's hear from some of our current students and learn more about the Price faculty experience.
Hi, my name is David Abad. I use he, him pronouns, and I'm a fifth-year Biosystems engineering student at the Price Faculty of Engineering.
Hi, my name is Grace Caper, and I'm going into my final year of mechanical engineering here at the Price Faculty of Engineering at the University of Manitoba.
My name is Jarrell Crampton, and I'm an electrical engineering student here at the Price Faculty of Engineering.
I originally went into engineering on a whim. I didn't know what I wanted to do coming out of high school and wasn't sure what engineering was about. My mom was an engineer in the Philippines and encouraged me to apply.
I still remember my very first day of school. I was walking into the engineering atrium for the first time as a frosh at engineering orientation, and I was in complete awe. The building, the people, the atmosphere, it was incredible. I remember looking at some of the older students in complete amazement. I thought, they must be so smart. They must have their life together. I want to be like them someday. And it didn't take me very long to know I chose the right faculty.
I had graduated high school and had a few decisions to make in terms of what I wanted to accomplish. I knew I wanted to find a career that utilized my passion for math and physics, but allowed me to be creative in the process, and engineering gave me just that. To be able to design, build, test, and then use goods is one of the most rewarding experiences I've had. It really is a satisfying feeling to make a contribution to my society.
Engineering was something that I easily fell in love with, since there are aspects of it that can appeal to everyone. There is an analytical side to engineering, full of calculations and modeling. There is a creative side where you can express yourself through your designs and the solutions you come up with. There's even a humanitarian side to engineering, since at its core, engineering is about helping people and making people's lives better.
The engineering community is tight. We're a family. It's like Ohana from Lilo and Stitch. Nobody gets left behind or forgotten. And here I am, going into my fifth and hopefully final year of my degree, and I have no idea where the time went. Suddenly, I'm the person I used to look up to, and if I can do it, so can you.
I grew up in Thompson, a small town in northern Manitoba, with a strong sense of community. Moving to Winnipeg wasn't easy. Thankfully, I've been a member of the Engineering Access Program, and NGAP is a support program for people of Indigenous ancestry. Above and beyond fostering a sense of community, the NGAP program has supported my academic journey in many ways. It was here at NGAP I met two of my great friends and capstone project partners as well.
The best advice I ever received was from an upper year student on my first day of orientation, who told me to get involved, step outside of my comfort zone, and to not be afraid to ask for help. There are so many opportunities and resources to provide support and to help you develop your skills and get involved. There are student groups and teams for whatever you're interested in, from a quarter-scale tractor to wind turbines, race cars to medical equipment, rockets and satellites to sustainability projects, even teams dedicated to making concrete toboggans and canoes.
Engineering takes guts. Being smart isn't always enough. It takes dedication, determination, and hard work. It is time-consuming and exhausting, but somehow the late-night cram sessions in the library brings you closer to your friends and somehow makes the work beyond worth it.
Through the co-op IIP program, I was able to be connected to employers in my relevant field to get paid work experience. I've worked 4 summer jobs between my studies. Most recently at Manitoba Hydro, supporting the maintenance of the high-voltage direct current assets used to transmit power from the generating stations in the north across the province.
Academic advisors are available to provide you with guidance for what courses to take and to help you organize your schedule so you don't have to worry about it.
To the students graduating high school this year, congratulations. If you're considering engineering in your future, there's a place for you here at the Price Faculty of Engineering.
Don't be afraid to make friends with older students. They will always have your back.
There are so many opportunities and resources available to help you, and many aspects of engineering that appeal to everyone. Your degree is what you make of it, and engineering is for everyone.
Learn to balance your studies and social life. Having both is the only way to get through this degree. But most of all, be eager to learn, be curious, work hard, and always leave some time to play harder.
Because we have a wide range of opportunities to offer students, we hope that you take the time to visit our website and learn more about the many programs and services available to our students. We have so much to offer, from the co-op program to design and competition teams to other extra and co-curricular activities. No matter what interests you most, there is a place for you here at the Price Faculty of Engineering. You can find us online at umanitoba.ca/engineering or email us at dean_engineering@umanitoba.ca. Be sure to reach out to us if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to connecting with you soon.